Hey everyone, today we're gonna be playing Escape the Fort obby. And if you're wondering why I'm already here, it's because... Hold on, So yeah, doing that. I just created this. Yeah, no, I didn't create it, but yeah, I just went up to here. I already like played a bit of the game. I also bought this gravity coil. Oh no. Ooh. Oh, oh, that was scary. Hey, does this bounce you? Well, you can't get in. No. Alright, good. I paid my Robux. What? Wait, yeah, you come here. Oh, yeah, you go. Oh, yeah. Go into here. Oh, it opens. Hey, what's in here? Nah, nothing. Oh, checkpoint. Oh, broken window. Wonder if there's a hammer somewhere. I like finding shards. Hammer. Ooh, MLGs. Oh, drip award. Oh no. Yeah, that was. Yeah, the MLG glasses. Oh, it's like the OG drip. No, like it's the one and only drip. No, it's like the original drip. Whatever. Oh no. Hey, what's this music shit? Yay. Checkpoint. Now let's go on this conveniently placed trail that conveniently leads to Block Smart. Oh no. Oh no. Nah, you know me. I just gotta. Oh wait. I think even if you did break it, it just would be a shortcut, right? What's that billboard? I want to get up there. Wait. Oh no, I can't go back. That's too bad. Ah! Am I the only one playing? Ooh, 777. Oh no. Wow. Guys, so basically my family has been thinking about this for like 3 months now, but my family was thinking about getting a cat. If we do, what's the name? Comment down the name, please. Please comment. Please, my videos only get like 20 views, so at least one of you can put. Oh, so don't mind my names. Please comment. Comments. What the? Don't mind me, I was just drinking water. Yeah. Roblox is coming. Oh, really long. I bought this gravity coil for like 5 Robux, and like earlier this obby, like in like the starting house, I couldn't find out where to go, but then I eventually found out. And I also bought the speed coil, jump coil, gravity coil there. Basically, yeah, I figured I'd get my Robux worth. These are just also, this just gives you like extra jumping power, so it's not that bad, but like no. I want to be fair to the people that don't have Robux, so really, no. What? Oh, I know this. They called me a noob, didn't they? Oh. In-game owls. I know their secrets. They called me a noob by spawning me there back. Mr. Bean! So one YouTuber made a video that this was their first ever game. I don't think this is like the original because of the clips that they showed, but I might do like another video regarding the flood obby in Roblox. I don't want to separate this into like 2 parts. So I don't know how to. And I'll just whatever. Oh. Forget this. I'm going to hungry. Ladder there. You escaped the flood award. Yeah, I glitched. So I didn't really escape. So, yeah, guys, I guess that will be it for this video. If you want me, I'll probably make like another video, make like with the original. So yeah, see you guys.